The Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set a timer on your iPhone. It's super quick and simple. First things first, what you want to do is open up the clock app, and across the bottom here you'll see many different tabs. What you want to click on is the timer option here in the bottom right. Now at the top you can choose between hours, minutes and then seconds to set a timer duration of your choice. And then when timer ends here, just under the cancel and start, you can click on this to choose a ringtone or a loud sound, what you want the timer to sound once the timer reaches 0. You can choose all from this list here. And also at the very bottom, you can press stop playing. So if you're watching any media or listening to any music while you're falling asleep, the media and the phone will switch off once this timer reaches 0. And once you've chosen either a sound or to stop playing, you then press set in the top right hand corner. Then to start the timer, you obviously press start here. Now you can go and do whatever you want on your iPhone, and the timer is running in the background. You can also pause the timer when you come back to it, and then resume it. Unfortunately, on the iPhone, you can only have one timer running at a time. However, when iOS 17 comes out, it looks like Apple are adding a feature to have multiple timers. So if that's available when the video comes out, have a look in the description below to see how to do it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.